GPRO stock analysis and GPRO stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to be doing and how I'm going to trade this. I am the only guy in this stock space that has done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything. It has literally taken me 5 years and I've seen what's working for me and what's not. So unironically, everything is documented, so you can check it out. I don't know why my rules are not here, because they should. For whatever reason, they're not, but doesn't matter. In this particular instance, GoPro is still a bearish market, bearish range. Look, I'm not saying it's like this forever, but it's definitely at 60 cents, which is not a great look. You know, it's on the NASDAQ, and ideally above $1 is appreciated. But in this particular instance, I do think that it might even be just a season. And in this season, if there is a shift towards the downside, I'm not going to shy away from selling. You know, why the heck would I? So we'll continue to keep you updated. Not financial advice. Obviously, I would like to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Like, no reason why not comment. But yeah, this is this. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description. Get my free emails and insights.